Here we have a Dyson V6 battery replacement provided by Grinoowd for review. "21 volts, a nice 6500 milliamps, and 140.4 watts. It does have 9 layers of safety protection, includes 2 pre-filters, 1 post-filter, your cleaning brush, screwdriver, a couple of screws, and your user manual. Here is your LED power indicator light. Then we go ahead and remove this dust cup. Then go ahead and remove this screw. Pull out the battery. Then replace it with your new battery. Then get your new screws and screw it into place. Now return your dust cup. And you're all set. Remove your old filter. Replace it with your new one. Use time up to 45 minutes in normal mode and 9 minutes in max mode.